I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example Form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Telegram. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want to get the bot API key. Please visit your Telegram bot father. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select Chat List. Map the respective fields. You can attach file also. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Telegram. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Telegram. Here is the data that came into Telegram through the integration. Thanks for watching.